Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to connect Google Drive to Slack. Imagine how much easier your work life could be if you could seamlessly share and collaborate on documents without constantly switching between apps. That's exactly the benefit you'll gain by connecting Google Drive to Slack. This integration can streamline your team's workflow, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. So let's dive right into how you can set this up and start enjoying the benefits today. To begin this process, you'll first need to access Slack, which you can do either through your web browser or via the Slack app on your device. If you're not logged in yet, that's your first step. You can log in using your email and password, or if you prefer a quicker method, simply use your Apple or Google account credentials for easy access. Once inside Slack, you'll be greeted with your workspaces. Select the one where you want Google Drive to be integrated. This is where all the magic will happen. Now, let's head over to the Slack app directory. Think of this as Slack's marketplace, a hub filled with apps and integrations designed to boost your productivity. In the Slack interface, look for the icon or link labeled Apps or Browse Apps located in the sidebar. Clicking this will lead you to the app directory. In the directory, you'll find a search bar. Type in Google Drive to locate the Google Drive app for Slack. This search will quickly bring up the app you need. Once Google Drive appears in the search results, you will see an option labeled Open in Slack. Click on this to initiate the integration process. This action will prompt you to follow several steps where you must grant necessary permissions for Slack to access your Google Drive files. It's crucial to carefully read through these prompts and authorize the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. As you go through the prompts, keep an eye out for a confirmation message indicating that the integration was successful. Once confirmed, you should be able to find Google Drive listed under the Apps section in your Slack sidebar. This is a clear indication that your setup is complete and ready to use. From now on, whenever you want to share files from Google Drive, you can do so directly within Slack, eliminating the need to switch back and forth between these two platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Drive to Slack, a simple yet powerful step that can significantly enhance your workflow. With this integration, sharing and collaborating with your team becomes much smoother and more efficient. Enjoy this newfound ease of collaboration and continue to explore other app integrations within Slack that could further benefit your work style. If this guide helped you with how to connect Google Drive to Slack, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.